Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and has about 2 GB free. This prevents install errors. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and location services in Settings Privacy because the app uses sensors and GPS. Next, sign into your Apple ID so purchases and data sync work. Open the App Store, search the fitness app by name, and tap Get or Install. This begins the download and prepares permissions prompts you'll handle next. You'll now grant permissions and build your profile. When prompted, allow health and motion access so steps, heart rate, and workouts sync accurately. This is why accuracy improves over time. Then create or import a profile, enter height, weight, and target goals, because the app uses those to calculate calories and pacing. After that, calibrate sensors by doing a short walk or run test with GPS and Bluetooth enabled. This trains the app to match your stride and improves future distance and pace readings. You finish by syncing accessories and customizing settings. Go to the app's devices or settings tab to pair your Apple Watch or Bluetooth sensors. Once paired, heart rate and cadence flow into workouts. Then set workout shortcuts, notification reminders, and an emergency contact to stay safe. If things go wrong, like missing activity or no GPS, first restart your iPhone, then check Settings Privacy to re-enable location and motion, and finally force close and reopen the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.